Apache Junction, Arizona.
This is not the time to be driving in your car. Conditions are extremely hazardous.
A furious storm pounds the city, turning roads into throbbing rivers. Driver Stephanie DeLavio thinks floodwaters are shallow enough that she can make it across. Within seconds, she's trapped in the wash with her terrified 2-year-old daughter in the back seat. Stephanie loses all control of the car as the current sweeps her helplessly downstream.
She's headed right for a bridge. Hopefully that'll stop her.
The impact finally brings the car to a halt, but it also shatters the windshield.
Oh no, oh, this is terrible. Water is flooding into the vehicle. Somebody needs to get to those people right away.
Then, there's a sign of hope. A passerby steps in to help. Risking his own life, he climbs onto the hood of the sedan.
Okay, looks like he's gonna climb onto the car. Oh, he slipped! He's reaching down to the window. She's stuck inside the car, and it looks like she's handing over her baby. Okay, he's got her. He's got her.
Once the girl is safe, the man carefully helps Stephanie to solid ground. After her harrowing ordeal, she can barely believe she's alive.
I was sitting in the car going, oh my God, oh my God. I'm in the back seat holding Amelia, and this man comes from the side and yells, roll down your windows and hand me your baby. If he hadn't showed up, we probably would have died.
It started out as a young mother's worst nightmare, but ended up as a brave hero's finest hour.